In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix Zoom audio not working. If you're in a Zoom meeting and can't hear other participants, or they can't hear you, you can check your audio settings directly from the meeting window. While you're on the call, look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom window and find the audio button. This is the button with the microphone icon that lets you mute or unmute yourself. Right next to it, you'll see a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the Audio Options menu. From this menu, select Audio Settings. After you click it, an Audio Settings panel will appear on the right side of the Zoom window. In this panel, you'll find two sections. One is for your speaker, and the other is for your microphone. Both sections include a test button, so you can check whether Zoom is using the correct devices. Start with the speaker section. Click the test button. Zoom will play a short test sound through the speaker that is currently selected. If you hear the sound clearly, your speaker is already set correctly. If you don't hear the test sound, stay in the speaker section and open the device drop-down menu. You'll see the available audio output devices listed there. Select the device you're currently using, then click the test button again. If you still don't hear the sound, choose another device from the list and test it again. Continue selecting each available device and using the test button until you hear the test tone clearly. Once your speaker is working, move down to the microphone section. Click the test button in the microphone section. Zoom will record a short sample of your voice and then play it back so you can check whether your microphone is working correctly. If you can hear your recorded voice clearly, then your microphone is already set correctly. If you don't hear your voice during playback, or if it sounds very quiet, open the microphone device drop-down menu. Select a different microphone from the list, then use the test button again. Continue trying each available microphone until your recorded voice plays back clearly and at a normal volume. After you've confirmed that both your speaker and microphone are working properly, you can close the audio settings panel and continue with your meeting. If your speaker test plays correctly and your microphone test records and plays back your voice clearly, then Zoom is using the correct audio devices for your call. That's all you need to do. By opening the audio settings, testing your speaker and microphone, and selecting the correct devices from the available drop-down menus, you can resolve most Zoom audio issues without leaving your meeting and continue your conversation once both devices are working properly. Thank you for watching.